It's time for your daily dose of inspiration. This is the UkuDaily Dispatch, and I'm Jen Eads. I'm so glad that you're here. Today's dispatch ditty is all about attachment. It can be attachment to people, to things, to ideas, to habits that are just no longer serving us. They're keeping us stuck. They're keeping us from getting to the next level. This attachment can also be around how we're defining our success and how we've planned that path to success to look. It doesn't always look the way it does in our mind, and we need to be open to that. And this is your reminder to stay open to possibility and let go of that attachment to anything that's keeping you stuck. Today's dispatch ditty is called I Let Go of My Attachment. I let go of my attachment to what no longer serves me, releasing empty expectations sets my heart and mind free. I let go of my attachment, let go of my attachment, set my heart and mind free. I let go of my attachment to what I think should be. I stay open to adventure and new opportunity. I let go of my attachment. I feel its absence with bigger possibility. I let go of my attachment. I let go of my attachment. I let it go. This is your invitation to let go of what you are attached to that is no longer serving you. Thanks for tuning in. I'm hanging out on Instagram at BrassyBroadJen. Send me a direct message. Let me know what episodes and songs are resonating with you. And do not be stingy with these dispatch ditties. If you know someone that needs to hear one of these episodes, hit that little share button. There's 3 little dots or there's an arrow, depending on what app you're listening to this podcast in. Share it with a friend and spread a little joy with a dispatch ditty. Thanks for tuning in. Now get out in the world and do good. The UkuDaily Dispatch is a production of the Brassy Broadcasting Company.